are so proud of our European dōTERRA brothers and sisters. It took them about this long to catch the vision. Right away, they understood, because they're already here in Europe a very giving people. We know that there's been, for example, a lot of refugees as a result of some very sad things that have happened in the world. Particularly, there's a lot of refugees in Greece. And dōTERRA Europe, through its wellness advocates, have gone in with money and with hands and with help and with blankets and with food and have helped these refugees. I know of no better venue or gathering where people can, number one, learn about dōTERRA and dōTERRA essential oils, but where they can come and feel what dōTERRA is all about. You can hear about it, you can read about it, but until you really experience it and hear it firsthand, when you're really involved, it wins over the heart and the mind.